okay. My glue dried again and again and again and again and again. Because I'm using the pin again. Oh. To make a line, then you will put the glue. The glue will be just here. Just there. Scrub. Don't stick it on yet. Let's see. If you point a line, if I close it up again, you won't want to close it up again. And you close it up, you want to open it up again. Then you have two streaks at the same time. This streak again, right? This streak again, right? And you can get a picture. Orange picture. If you are in a picture. There. Stick and the other stick. You see? There we go. We'll do the 4 of them all together. Okay? Do the 4 of them like this. If you get any more, just call me. Get any more. It's a great idea to make something that isn't really something. Now we'll do the second one, not so silly. Because this one was wrong with me. So you want to do this one the right way. The right way is this way. And you want to make a set here, just like that. Hey there. Smooth it out. Now we'll set this like that again. There. Again. See? It's easy. Let's open it up. I can't open it up. Open it up. Move here. And to move here. And here. See how long that's how if you want to make craft 300 crafts, you need a lot of glue. If you make craft, you don't need a little bit of glue. Want to make regular craft. When we are done, just look like that. And you can cover up the places that's left behind already. Ooh, again. Okay. And also boiling and boiling. Like that. Want to keep it like that. Have to keep it like that, or you can let go. My goodness, what mess. Sticky. I miss the place here. Don't cut this paper. I did cut, but don't you. Don't do this because I'm doing something else. Because I have a hole there, so I'm sticking the holes. If you have a hole missed already, you must stick and dry this craft. Get out and get glue. Don't see this. Don't see that. Not seeing this. Oh, not so good. If we have any holes, you can just cover them. There, I covered that place. You see? Already covered that place. I covered that place. Wait a minute. Okay, we covered the place. Nothing can go on. Push the camera.